y'all love my on videos so much about my soundbar, I brought y'all another product. Now, I've had this product for over a week now to make sure it works, but what you have is a lightning cable to an auxiliary. Now, we all know the old school days where you put a tape deck in here and it had an auxiliary on the other side. Now, this is pretty much the same premise, except it literally is used for the purpose of listening to music. You know, your iPhone connects here, connects into here. You turn this on, and it'll say no because it's not hooked up right now. But it worked great. It was $12. This is a lightning to auxiliary. I mean, you simply just take it like this, plug it in, hit that, and then you take this right here, which is your on lightning cable, and you plug it into the iPhone, and you're able to listen to music from here on your iPhone to down there. It cost me about $12, and I know it's kind of weird, really expensive phone, but you know what? That's what you get for a GMC product. GMC is like, hey, let's build a car and give them the worst radio in the world. So yeah, that is it's definitely worth getting, guys. You know, instead of having to get a brand new radio, which I will do later, instead of getting a $100 radio or a $50 radio, $12. And as you can see, I'm set right here. Thank y'all for watching. Oh, and by the way, this will not charge your phone as you are using it. I know that's going to be the first question that somebody has, and I will say, make sure your phone is fully charged because this does not charge your phone. It does not charge your phone. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all have any questions, look down below and comment, and I will answer them as soon as I get a chance. And by the way, the cord is about 3 feet. Thank y'all for watching.